Mm. Today is the day one of starting learning Kotlin with me. Okay, get started with Kotlin and start Kotlin tour. In a beginner, so I am clicking the start beginner. On every programming language, we will usually start with hello world. So there is a function called main. In that function, it's printing hello world. We run it, hello world will come. Whatever pre-printed here, that's the thing is going to come here. Yeah. Okay, now for the next is variable. There are two types of variable: read only variable with where and mutable variables with where. Mutables means changeable. So val popcorn equal to 5, val hot dog equal to 7, where this is a changeable or mutable variable. Its value is 10, but after some code they had changed the value to 8. So if you run it, the customers will be 8. But if we change the value of a read only variable, what will happen? Let's check that. Val cannot be reassigned because val is an read only object. Okay. Okay, we can write it like this. Dog. Okay, difference print lines only. We can pass only one at a time. Okay, we can only pass one variable to a println function. Okay, so for putting a variable inside a string, we need to put a $sign for the variable or $sign with a curly bracket. We can also do small 30. Small 20 operation. Practice exercise. What is the exercise? Complete the code to make the program print Mary is 20 years old to standard output. Middle password. Okay, let's set basic types. addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There is also a modulus operator too. Here, I think it will be confusing. In total, Kotlin has following basic types: integer, integers, byte, short int, val, year, int equal to 2020. This will be a tricky part, I think, because we need to remember lot of types even in integer, like alternate variable declared without initialization. So we can declare a variable first and assign a value. We can do that. Return initialization. Modify reinitialized a variable. Will cannot be reassigned. So we characterize for each variable or character types. String അല്ലേ double byte എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -128 127 ഷോർട്ട് string is float and double. Difference between float and double. Float 32 bit 8 6 to 7 decimal digits. It's 15 to 16 decimal digit. That's the difference between float and this. Underscore value means what? No, e is equal to false boolean.